shoot, it's already Halloween. I just got home from work. I have no time. It's a Monday and I want to look nice, but I don't have the time to do it. I'm exhausted and I really don't want to spend a bunch of money because my bank account is kind of low. So let's go to Walmart. That's where I went for these right here. This cost me with 2 braids. You can see it's a blue braid, the rhinestones, 2 braids. It cost me $9. They were $2.98. Actually, sorry, it cost me less than $9. But I'm gonna show you really quick how to use these. And you're like, boom, 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 but you look totally festive because it is on Monday this year, which sucks. So if you are exhausted, you're like, okay, I want to make my hair look good. Just part it in the middle and braid it. But there's a certain way you have to braid your hair for this, to put a thick braid in like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to part my hair, right? And who cares if it's even? I'm just a little OCD. Okay, and then take this front section that you typically start, right? Most people grab like a triangle. Take a rubber band, boom, 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 and make it really tight at your base. This is going to be like boom, 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 simple, and you are done and out the door and ready to go get some candy with your kids. Okay, rubber band in the hair. Let's remove the hair. You have to cut this little thing off. Let me cut it off. Okay, here's a note. So you only cut the plastic, this little plastic tab in the back. You do not cut the rubber band that's in the front. Got the worst scissors. Ooh, almost sliced my finger open. So you do not cut off this rubber band right here, okay? So we're going to unbraid the hair gently because this is cheap and the hair will come off. So we got 3 braids right here. We're going to lay it down. On this, what we're going to do, since it's in tight, right, we're going to pull it up a little bit like this, but don't pull it forward, pull it a little bit back right there. We're going to make this divided right down the middle where the band is, where the rubber band is, you can see. Lay it down. Now grab only one end of the hair, right? Take the rubber band that it comes with, because there was one right here. It had to come with one in there. Oh yeah, this is the one that was actually holding the bottom together. Okay, pull it up like that. Leave it there, right? Lay it down. Now right here, we're gonna slide our finger all the way through it, right? Open up that hole. Okay, so you can see my fingers all the way through. Open up that hole. Take that rubber band and push it right through. Look, let me go through the back so you can see. We're gonna go right through that hole. We need that rubber band because the hair will come through all together. Now we're gonna slide it all the way to the middle rubber band, right? Right there. At this point, this hair is actually very heavy. You're gonna pick up only your hair and you're gonna pull it tight. And look what this does. It holds it really, really tight like that. Now what you're gonna do is you're just gonna braid like you normally would. Add the strands of hair into it, divide it into 3 equal parts. So I got 1. Careful not to pull. Oh shoot, and remember to take off the bottom rubber band. I got 1, 2, 3. And we're gonna braid. Okay, so I'm gonna have to re-braid it really quick because I forgot that this rubber band is supposed to be in the back. It's not supposed to be showing because when you start braiding, you'll see that at the front. So it's supposed to be right there in the back hiding, and then you start braiding. Okay, the braid's in the hair. Now I'm going to take this rubber band. I'm just going to push it underneath the braid. Fatten it right there and push it underneath the braid. You can clip it if you want to disguise that rubber band, but you can see the braid looks amazing. And if you're a fast braider, I mean, I have a little bit harder time braiding hair this thick. That's why it took me a minute. You'll do it much quicker than I did. But you can see how it's really, really cute and very, very festive. Okay, so once the braids are in your hair, what you're going to do is you're going to pull out the color if you want to, if you wanted to show more. Like you can see, like my hair is actually covering that color. So I'm But I actually like how my hair intertwines with it, like a stripe here, a stripe there. I think it looks great. So now all I'm going to do, like I said, is just pin this over that rubber band, and I'll be right back. So you saw me pin it. It was super simple. Now the rubber band does not show. If you want, because sometimes this can be shorter than your hair, so you can see my hair's longer than this. You can rubber band it up here and then rubber band it at the bottom as well. But once you rubber band it, you can see, look at this. See, that top rubber band just helps all those little pieces, those flyaways, stop from popping out. So you can double rubber band it. I think it's cute. You don't have to. You see? You even have it fraying right here, coming out, little pieces, but it looks fine because this portion is all together. So those can just pop out. Okay, so we can put the rhinestones on and go from here because it's festive, it's cute, but it looks a lot better if you just grab whatever blue eyeshadow you have. This is by Total Plastics. It's Iggy and HB collaboration. I don't even know if they make this. This is the Total 2000s. I'm going to grab this blue because I think it kind of matches the braids. And I'm going to pop it on top of my everyday eyeshadow. So I'm going to go right here. You see, that's all we're doing is matching the braids, matching the eyes, and then we're going to pop on the gems, and it's going to all come together. And I'm not sitting here forever getting ready, but I'm in the festive spirits, and I look good. I might be exhausted from work, but everything's coming together. To give it just a little extra in the eyes, I'm going to get this Wet n Wild palette. It has a white in it. I'm going to put that in the corner, and that's really going to make my eyes pop. Blend it into the skin. Oh, do you like the Halloween nails? They are by Dashing Diva. They are amazing. I'll post a link down below just for you guys to their website. Not a link to them, but the link to the website. So look, do you see how that is so drastic when you put a white right there? Boom. Okay, so since these pick up multiple colors, I do see pink in here, blue in here. I'm actually going to put a bright pink lipstick on. This one's by Fenty Beauty. It's called Unlocked. I don't want to have to deal with my lipstick coming off, so this is all day wear. I'm going to let that dry, then I'm going to put a glittery lipstick on top of it. But for now, we're going to do this on the eyes. I think I'm going to put it at the arch of my brow, like this. So it just peels off like this. Bend the plastic, peel it off. Otherwise, some of the stones can come off. And let's try to make sure that this is even. I just want to make sure they were even. Wow, that actually makes my eyebrows look super like up. And if the adhesive starts coming off because you've moved it around so much, you can put clear eyelash glue on the back of that. You have to be real gentle taking these off though. Be right back. Okay, that's it. Put a shirt on that contrasts the hair. I tried a blue shirt on. It blends in too much with the hair. It doesn't stand out as much. So put something that matches your lips, or just a bright colored shirt, a nice chunky necklace. I figure this is appropriate because it looks very similar to the stones on my face. But that's it. Boom, boom, boom. Done. Get home. You are finished. Let's go ahead and put some of the glitter. They do not make this anymore, I do not believe. If they do, I'll post it down below. This is the OG Too Faced glitter collection. You can see the difference. Look at how much brighter it is. Isn't that awesome? So super simple, super festive, and you are ready for Halloween. And since it's on Monday, you won't be sitting here spending all this time getting ready. Stickers, hair, boom. Add some little extras to your makeup and you're done. I hope you guys have a happy Halloween, and I hope you guys get a lot of candy, and please be safe and enjoy the moment. Let's go ahead and just roll on over to the quote of the day. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out.